everyone, so we are on day 6 of my 12 days of Christmas series I have going on here. So today I made cards, Christmas cards. So I kind of did like a bunch of little prep pieces so that I can use for my cards. And this is what I have left over that I had already pulled out. And then I cut out too many pieces, so I need to make former card bases. And I based my cards. Oh, I didn't bring my envelope. Nope, I guess I didn't. So I based it off of the envelope. Let me go grab that. Hold on. So these were the envelopes that I based my card off of. I bought 100 of these gold ones off of Amazon. And I just put in the Ziploc bag because the bag came in ripped. So, what I did was I measured this and then I made my card a 1/4 of an inch smaller, you know, in length and width, so that way it would tuck into the envelope nice and easy. And let's see. I used this kit right here that I hauled a while ago. So I used that, and I also used this sticker book that I recently hauled. And let's see. I'm gonna save the completed ones till the end to share. So I got 2 started here that I feel like I need to add something else. Like I was thinking maybe like a little Santa or maybe some little holly berries or something. So I need to add something over here. And then this one I felt like it also needed something maybe over here. And then this is a couple of blank ones that I still haven't added anything to. There's another one of those. And then these I added just some glitter ribbon from my stash down. So I still need to add something there. So here are the completed ones. So I just did basic little cards of just layering, and they open different ways. So this one opens this way. And then here's the next card, and it opens this way also. And I have this one right here, and it opens that way. And we got this piece on earth, and it opens at the top as well. So I just did really basic, simple cards. I haven't done cards in forever, so I'm really proud of myself that I even did cards at all. But yeah, I just thought that they were cute, simple, and fast. You know, I worked them up really fast. It wasn't, you know, anything that took very long or that I had to think about. And you can see they tuck in beautifully into these gold envelopes right here. I think these envelopes are just so pretty, so I'm really happy that I'm using stuff that I had in my stash. Minus this I recently bought, but you know, the other stuff I've had for a while, so really happy about that. So yeah, that's my little project share for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.